Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView step by step. First, navigate to the TradingView website and sign up for a free account. This grants you access to a powerful charting platform. Once logged in, you'll see the main interface, which is designed for clarity and ease of use. Begin by personalizing your watch list, adding your favorite stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other financial instruments. This initial setup takes just a few moments and sets the stage for your analysis. Next, let's dive into the charting basics. TradingView offers numerous chart types, such as the popular Japanese candlesticks or simple line charts, each providing unique insights. You can easily switch between time frames, from 1-minute intervals for scalping to monthly views for long-term analysis. The platform provides over 100 drawing tools, allowing you to mark trend lines, identify support and resistance levels, and annotate your charts effectively. These tools are crucial for technical analysis. Now, let's enhance your analysis with technical indicators. TradingView boasts a vast library of built-in indicators, including moving averages, RSI, and MACD, which can be easily added to your charts. Beyond these, the platform offers access to over 100,000 custom scripts created by the community, providing endless analytical possibilities. You can also set up highly customizable alerts for specific price levels or indicator crossovers, ensuring you never miss a crucial market event. Finally, let's talk about saving your work and sharing your insights. TradingView allows you to save multiple chart layouts and templates, ensuring your preferred settings are always just a click away. You can also publish your analysis directly to the platform, sharing your ideas and charts with a global community of millions of traders. This collaborative environment is excellent for receiving feedback and learning new strategies, fostering continuous improvement in your trading journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.